Hey everyone, welcome back to Techasonic. Today we're checking out the top 5 best outdoor table tennis tables to bring the fun of ping pong to your backyard or patio all year long. Finding a table that can truly withstand sun, rain, and wind is tougher than you think, so we've done the research and hands-on testing for you. Now here's why it matters. We're highlighting models with incredible weather resistance and features like easy fold storage, so you can get a durable table that makes every game a blast. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Garvee Outdoor Table Tennis Tables. The Garvee Outdoor Table Tennis Table is perfect for families and recreational players seeking durable, all-weather fun in their backyard. Featuring a weather-resistant 5mm composite top with a consistent bounce surface, this table withstands sun and moisture for year-round play. Equipped with a sturdy undercarriage and adjustable leg levelers, it provides exceptional stability on any outdoor surface, ensuring fair and competitive games. Its fold-and-roll design allows for easy storage and transport, complete with locking safety mechanisms for peace of mind. Made from robust, powder-coated steel, the frame offers superior rust resistance and long-term durability. Whether hosting a weekend barbecue or enjoying casual evening rallies, the Garvee Outdoor Table Tennis Table delivers reliable performance and endless entertainment, making it an essential centerpiece for any active household. PodiuMax Outdoor Table Tennis Tables. The PodiuMax Outdoor Table Tennis Table is perfect for families and players seeking durable, all-weather fun in their backyard. Featuring a robust aluminum frame and a weather-resistant playing surface, this table withstands sun, rain, and seasonal changes without compromising performance. Its innovative playback mode allows for solo practice by folding one side securely, while the adjustable net system ensures official tournament height for competitive matches. Made from premium, fade-resistant materials, it offers consistent ball bounce and a smooth, responsive playing experience for years. Whether hosting a casual weekend gathering or honing your skills for serious play, the PodiuMax delivers exceptional stability and versatility, making it an essential centerpiece for any outdoor entertainment space. EasyGo Product Outdoor Table Tennis Tables. The EasyGo Outdoor Table Tennis Table is perfect for families and recreational players seeking durable, all-weather fun in their backyard. Featuring a weather-resistant composite surface and a powder-coated steel frame, this table is built to withstand sun and rain while providing consistent ball bounce. Its innovative fold-and-roll design, equipped with locking casters, allows for effortless storage and movement by a single person. Made from robust materials, it ensures stability during intense rallies while remaining easy to maintain season after season. Whether you're hosting a weekend barbecue or enjoying casual evening games, the EasyGo table offers exceptional value and resilience, making it the essential centerpiece for any outdoor entertainment space. FBSPORT Outdoor Table Tennis Tables. The FBSPORT Outdoor Table Tennis Table is perfect for families and recreational players seeking durable, all-weather fun in their backyard. Featuring a weather-resistant 5mm composite surface, this table ensures consistent ball bounce and reliable performance season after season. Made from a robust powder-coated steel frame, it offers exceptional stability during intense rallies and resists rust from sun or rain. Its innovative fold-and-roll design, equipped with 2 locking wheels and a safety lock, allows for easy storage and transport by a single person. Whether hosting a casual game night or practicing your spin serves, this table provides professional-grade playability and convenience. The FBSPORT table delivers outstanding value and is an essential centerpiece for creating lasting outdoor memories. WinLook Outdoor Table Tennis Tables. The WinLook Outdoor Table Tennis Table is perfect for families and players seeking durable, all-weather fun in their garden or patio. Featuring a weather-resistant 5mm composite top with a consistent playing surface, this table ensures reliable performance season after season. Made from a robust powder-coated steel frame, it offers exceptional stability and resistance to rust, even when left outdoors. Its innovative safety design includes a smooth, fold-and-roll mechanism for easy storage and adjustable net posts for quick setup. Whether hosting a casual weekend match or practicing your spin shots, this table provides professional-grade playability and resilience. The WinLook is an essential centerpiece for creating lasting memories and enjoying active entertainment right at home.